You have known each other from the first glance of acquaintance to this point of commitment. At some point, you decide to marry. From that moment of yes to this moment of yes. You have been making promises and agreements in an informal way. All those conversations that were held riding in a car, over a meal, or during a long walk. All those sentences that began with, "when we're married," and continued with, "I will," and "you will." These common things and more are the real process of a wedding. Brent, Lauren, I am happy to pronounce you husband and wife. Brent, you may kiss your bride.
Congrats, Brent and Lauren. We're so happy for you.
We love you guys.
Hey, Lauren and Brent, gorgeous place. Your ceremony was beautiful. Everything is beautiful. We hope you have a great life together and lots of grandbabies for Pat and Ray. Love you.
Lauren and Brent, we're so excited to be here with you today. You're so beautiful and so is your love. We can't wait to celebrate with you this evening and wish you much happiness.
We love you and we're so proud of both of you. Cheers.
Congrats, Brent and Lauren. We love you.
Stay out of trouble, you two.